Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cattaleya English. Are you ready to level up your English grammar? Today we are diving into the passive voice. Sounds scary, right? But do not worry, we are making it super simple. We will focus on the present, past and future simple, the foundations you need to master. Let's get started. So, what is the passive voice? Well, in active sentences, the subject does the action. For example, Shakespeare wrote Hamlet. But in passive sentences, the subject receives the action. In this case, Hamlet was written by Shakespeare. Why do we use the passive? Usually when the action is more important than who did it, or we do not know who did it, or it's obvious. Let's start with the present simple passive. Formation is easy. Are you ready? Subject plus am is a plus past participle plus by plus agent. Example 1. Active. They make these shoes in Italy. Passive. These shoes are made in Italy. See how the focus shifts to the shoes. Example 2. Active. She cleans the house every day. Passive. The house is cleaned every day. When do we use it? For general truths, facts or processes that happen regularly. To demonstrate, coffee is grown in Brazil. It's a fact. Next up is the past simple passive. The formation is really similar, but we use was were instead of am is are. So we have subject plus was were plus past participle plus by plus agent. Example 1. Active. Someone stole my car. Passive. My car was stolen. We do not know who stole it, so we use the passive. Example 2. Active. The Romans built the Colosseum. Passive. The Colosseum was built by the Romans. Use past simple passive for completed actions in the past where the action or the object is more important. Okay, last but not least, the future simple passive. Here we need to use will be in front of past participle. So, subject plus will be plus past participle plus by plus agent. Example 1. Active. They will deliver the package tomorrow. Passive. The package will be delivered tomorrow. Example 2. Active. The company will announce the results next week. Passive. The results will be announced next week. Remember the theory? Practice creating your own sentences. And now it's time for a quick test to see what you've learned. Okay. 3 quick questions. Choose the correct passive form. Ready? The house every week. A. Is clean. B. Is clean. C. Was cleaning. My phone yesterday. A. Was stolen. B. Is stolen. C. Will be stolen. The letter tomorrow. A. Is delivered. B. Was delivered. C. Will be delivered. Question 1, the answer is B, is clean. Question 2, the correct answer is A, was stolen. Question 3, the correct answer is C, will be delivered. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. That's it for today's topic on the passive voice. I hope you found it helpful. Remember to practice, practice, practice. Subscribe to Cattaleya English for more easy to understand English lessons. And don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what topic you want me to cover next. See you soon. Bye.